Today, India stops. 3 hours and 49 minutes. One film. Dhurandhar, The Revenge. And behind it, a man whose story is more cinematic than any script he has ever written. Aditya Dhar was born in New Delhi in 1983, into a Kashmiri Pandit family. A community that had lived through displacement, loss, and survival. From childhood, he had one dream, to serve the Indian Army. But life had other plans. He ended up studying in Delhi University, where his mother was a dean. And slowly, almost accidentally, he fell into the world of music and theatre. For nearly 2 decades, he worked in the shadows, as a lyricist, a writer, a craftsman. Patient. Waiting. By 2016, Aditya Dhar had finally made it. Dharma Productions, one of Bollywood's biggest studios, had signed him to direct his debut film. The cast? Fawad Khan and Katrina Kaif. The budget? Massive. The future? Certain. Then, 18 September 2016. 4 gunmen crossed the line of control. They attacked the Indian Army base in Uri, Kashmir. 19 soldiers were killed. India was shattered. The Indian film industry banned Pakistani artists overnight. Fawad Khan was out. Dharma shelved the project. Aditya Dhar's debut, gone. Just like that. Most people would have given up. Aditya Dhar did the opposite. He channeled every emotion, the anger, the helplessness, the patriotism, into writing a new script. A film about the Uri attack itself. About the Indian Army's response. About surgical strikes. Uri, the surgical strike released in January 2019. Starring Vicky Kaushal. It grossed over 3.5 billion rupees worldwide. It gave India one of its most iconic dialogues, "How's the Josh?" And it gave Aditya Dhar the National Film Award for Best Director. But a great film is never just one person. Behind every frame of Dhurandhar is a composer named Shashwat Sachdev. And his story is just as extraordinary. Shashwat Sachdev began learning music at the age of 3. Hindustani classical vocals. Western piano. He moved to Hollywood in 2011, composing in Los Angeles for years. Then in 2016, he came back to India and teamed up with Aditya Dhar on Uri. His background score won the National Award for Best Background Music. And then he did something no Indian composer had ever done. He collaborated with Hans Zimmer, the man behind Interstellar, The Dark Knight, Gladiator. The greatest film composer alive. Shashwat Sachdev sat across from Hans Zimmer and co-created music. From Jaipur to Hollywood. From classical vocals to Hans Zimmer. That is a journey. In 2024, Aditya Dhar began filming Dhurandhar, the most ambitious project of his career. He shot 7 hours of footage across India and Thailand. The Golden Temple. Ladakh. Mumbai. In Ladakh, over 100 crew members were hospitalized from food poisoning. They kept filming. Dhurandhar Part 1 released in December 2025. It became the highest-grossing Hindi film of all time. 1,349 crore rupees worldwide. Beating Stree 2. Beating Pushpa 2. Ranveer Singh. Arjun Rampal. Sanjay Dutt. R. Madhavan. An unstoppable force. And today, Part 2 arrives. Dhurandhar, The Revenge. 3 hours and 49 minutes. 5 languages. Over 100 crore in advance booking, before a single ticket was torn. Trade experts are comparing it to Bahubali 2. Some are saying Sholay. Whatever it is the work of a Kashmiri Pandit boy who wanted to join the army, lost his debut to a terror attack, and turned his pain into India's biggest cinema moment.